Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your Crunchyroll subtitles. If you're having trouble with your Crunchyroll subtitles, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your Crunchyroll app, and then on the bottom of your phone, you'll see the options of like home, my list, browse, simulcast, and account. Now you'll have to go ahead and click on the option of account. Now it will show you a lot of options like switch profile and all of that, audio, language, subtitles. So now you are fixing your subtitles, so go ahead and click on the option of subtitles. Now choose the language you want to choose, let's say English. So now you can watch all of your favorite animes that you are wanting to watch with English subtitles, which is way easier to watch. I hope this solved your problem of subtitles. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.